Welcome to the Axcys video, how to add wireless contacts, and assign them to a unit. Navigate to the top left of the screen, then select the menu button. Click the System Administration button. Click the Device Manager button. Then click Manage Remotes. Select the Wireless Devices tab. To add wireless devices one at a time, enter the address in the address field. Or to automatically add more contacts, click the Auto Add box, then enter the quantity to add. Then write a name for it. Or this can be left blank. To finish, click Save. To assign a contact to a unit, click the Alarm button, then click Assign Unit Alarms. To assign one contact to a specific unit, scroll the units in the list until you find the one you want. Next, check the wireless box. Click the down arrow in the wireless address box, select the wireless address you want. Click the Alarm Enabled box. To save, click the Assign button. Thank you for watching. Please visit axcys.com or call 800-591-6989.